Hey, hi. Spirit guides, angels, ancestors, creator source. What is the message the collective needs to hear today? What can I do to spice up my love life? And what chapter is about to come to completion? Okay. Let's see here. Let's get these cards out. Hold on. All right, I have my decks. I'm ready. Okay. Spirit, what can the collective do to spice up their love life? Reassurance. Encouragement is like water to the soul. Removal of another's doubts and fears. Affirmation of potential. If this is a situation where you've been questioning this relationship, you might need to make room for other people to have their opinions of their relationship and their experience, and also hold space for your own. This feels a little bit like other people's projections. Yeah, vision. Everything begins as a dream. Yeah, watch out for other people's projections of your situation and come back to the two of you. Okay, Spirit, what? All right, Spirit, show me the energy of my collective right now. Justice. Being a little defensive. Nine of crystals. Little defensive. Caught up in worries and fears about making the wrong decision. That's what it's feeling like. Yep. Six of Wands and the High Priestess. You're really looking for a relationship that is good for you, that is like elevating your potential, not just yours, but you and your partner's potential. High Priestess, that is a card about, like the visual I'm getting is like standing within your own truth, standing within your own power. Notice the blue happening here. That's fun. Blue could be significant for you. You aren't meant to hide in this connection. If you have been not fully showing up as yourself, now is the time to be loud and proud about it, baby. This is veering off a little bit from the question of what can you do to spice up your love life, but just be you is what it feels like. Just be you. Okay, Spirit, show me the energy of my collective's person. The Empress, that's a very nurturing energy. Creative. They want to create a life with you. Yeah, Seven of Cups. This could be about like your manifestations, your dreams, your goals, wanting to bring things into reality. They want a life with you. This is a very sexually charged energy, is all of a sudden what it's feeling like. It's gonna turn into a horny tarot lady comment again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Go to part 2. I love you.